Tails, are you okay? It's okay, little bro. Let me see. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. But I think we should get it looked at by a doctor just to be safe.
Okay.
Oh. Are you going to be okay to walk?
Yeah.